In this Threads embroidery software tutorial, we're going to teach you how to create your own fonts. If you don't have a digitizing experience, you will need digitizing experience to create your own fonts from scratch. So you will have to refer to some of our previous tutorials on how to create letters so that you can digitize these fonts. So the first step I'm going to do is click File and then Create Font File. And from this font window, I'm going to select the font that we want to create, which will be this one. And you want to select the largest size they have available. And then I click OK. Once you do that, your characters are all going to appear on the screen. You can do each letter individually. You can go from one letter to the other. You can do just the uppercase if you want, or just the lowercase. You don't have to digitize the entire font. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here at this exclamation point, and this is going to be the first letter that I'm going to digitize. Again, you can start with any one you want. If you want to start with the letter A, if you want to start with vowels or any letter you want, you can start with. It's fine. So I'm going to right mouse click here, and I'm going to start with my lockdown. And then I'm going to do this as a column. Alright, so I got that dot there, so I'm going to right mouse click. I'm going to go to Other, Needle Up, put my lockdown. Again, if you don't have digitizing experience, you will have to refer to some of our previous videos. And there we go with that letter, with that character. So now I can, if I want, I can come down here. Let's say we can do the 0 now. So I can just come over here and just start digitizing as normal. And it's going to pick up from whatever letter we're on. So as you can see in the bottom over here, we already have our number 0 is filling this section box, and we already have our exclamation point. So just like I would do any other digitizing on letters, I come around here and I'm going to start my first point right here because this is the closest point, and I'm just going to go around the entire letter. Alright, and now we're all done with the 0 and the exclamation point. So you'd save the file as normal, but you want to save it in your fonts directory, which is located Program Files, Threads, Fonts. And you would eventually save your file here, and then every time you load the software, your font file will appear in the regular drop-down box whenever you're setting your text.